welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chuka, and I'm here to discuss how you can use ChatGPT to apply for jobs with increased chances of your proposals being viewed, you getting an interview, and of course, being hired. Now, if you're coming across my channel for the first time, do well to like, to subscribe, and to share with as much people as you can. Now, let's get into the reason why we are here. This is my Upwork profile, and the reason why I decided to make this video is because a lot of people complained about not being able to get jobs. Proposals are not even being viewed at all, archived here and there, and it's really heartbreaking because times are a little bit difficult now, and getting money to buy connects hasn't been very easy for a lot of us, especially those in Nigeria. So I decided to come up with this idea, and I thought I should share it so that at least whoever wants to spend any amount of money getting connects should at least get value for their money, possibly get hired at the end of the day. That alone makes me happy. So I decided to do this video and to share it with you. So do well to share it with others as well. Okay? And also subscribe. Now, let's get down with the video immediately. First of all, I want us to understand something, that you have to be very accurate. You have to be accurate. I keep telling people ChatGPT is as smart as the person using it. ChatGPT can do almost anything, but you need to know the commands that you send into it. You need to know the programs you send into it. It will do well to give you back responses that will match what you have given it. Like I was saying before, this is a job right here, and this job says social media growth specialist. Now, my profile on the right hand side here says Airbnb verbal virtual assistant property manager. Normally, I'm not supposed to apply for this job because I don't have any business with this job. So, for the purpose of this video, I'm using this job. But normally, I won't apply for this job, right? What I'm saying in essence is I only apply to jobs that have Airbnb, verbal, or property management as their profile, their the job description or the job title, as the case may be. You have to be very specific. So if I apply for this job, definitely my proposal will be archived straight. Nobody will view it. There won't be interviews. I should not expect any interview. So let's quickly get down with this. Social media growth specialist. Okay. Now do well to read the job description. It doesn't take any time at all. Read through, skim or skim through. There are places where they will tell you in your first line, state the color red, or state I'm a rock star. So you need to look through for those kind of things. The idea is the client wants to know or wants to be sure that you actually read the job description. That is why you must go through it. Now I've gone through this, and what I'll just do here is to highlight. Why I didn't highlight the whole of it is because what is written here is if you are passionate about social media, creatives, and can connect with potential customers through Instagram and Facebook, join us and help our business grow. This is not in any way an important information, right? So what I do here is just to copy this, go to my chat GPT. Let me go down here, or yes, now you're here. So what you do, first of all, you send a command. Please read this job description and tell me if you understand. So I can give you the next prompt. And what you do is you take two spaces downwards. Okay, let me correct this description. Please read this job description and tell me if you understand it so that I can give you the next prompt, right? Now you paste. We have pasted the job description that we just copied, right? You send it. Now you can see ChatGPT says, I understand the job description for social media growth specialist position, right? Now you send another command. Write me a response to the job description above and make sure you use all the keywords as the job poster. Write me a response to the job description above and make sure you use all the keywords as the job poster, right? And you send this. And let's see what ChatGPT brings out for us. Did you see the highlights there of the keywords? Social media strategy, Facebook engagement, Instagram growth. Now let's go back to Upwork. Can you see social media strategy here as number three? Facebook group engagement and Instagram growth. Those are the keywords that this client. So, what ChatGPT has done now is to explain what you can do for these clients in regards of those areas that are highlighted. This way, this client understands that you have carefully read through their job description and you understand it. If you read through it, it will make a whole lot of sense. In terms of Instagram growth, I have solid track record, increasing followers and engagement, blah, blah, blah. Facebook group engagement is another area where I excel. Collaborating on a social media strategy is an essential part of my professional approach. So imagine how the explanation or how the proposal will look like when the person is reading it. The person will be excited that the proposal he's reading or she's reading is from somebody who understands her pain or his pain and knows how to carry out this job effectively. So all you need to do is to come now and of course you see here is saying your name sincerely you so you put your name of course and then this is dear. So if you don't know the client's name, let's say is a new client, what you do is just to put hello dear, hello, and then you submit. Now let's just copy it. Okay, you go back to Upwork where you have apply now. Now when this opens up, okay, of course you set every other thing you should set here, your rates and all of that. Now you come down here and you paste in the space for cover letter. Good. So we've pasted it here. So what you do here, you go all the way. If you don't know the name of the client, like I said before, all you need to do is hello. That's all. And then you go straight down to where you have your name. Now, see this free research preview, blah, 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 blah. Please, if this appears on your, just delete it. Delete all of this if you see any kind of message like this. Be careful, go through your proposal again, go through it very carefully. Go through it very carefully. Then you can come here and put your name under. Now, I have Grammarly installed on my system. So it helps me to check if there's any grammatical error. Now I'm seeing a red stuff here which tells me there might be an error somewhere. I have to go back again and look through. Now you see success. Now it has given me the correction, right? My success. Can you see that it has disappeared? There's nothing here again. So this helps you to note that your grammar is very accurate. Okay? So this is the way I usually submit proposals, get views, get interviews, and also get. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you in the comment section so that I can make more videos like this to support us, especially those of us freelancing in Nigeria. Goodbye, guys, and hope to see you in the next video. Cheers.